for an evening paddle in Lady Bird Lake in Austin, Texas. Nice calm water today. Got both kayaks, Aubrey, myself, even got the dog. Having a great time. The weather's beautiful, the company's even more beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah, we should have done this sooner.
Yeah.
Hey, it could be worse. We could be that guy trying to get the Great Dane on the paddleboard.
Oh my goodness.
That dog does not want to get on that paddleboard. Can't say I blame him, really.
He needs a bigger paddleboard.
Yeah, a smaller dog.
Beamer could show him. Huh, Beamer?